Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
and Spice.
One of our favorite scenes in the Avengers is when all of the Avengers go and they enjoy a delicious shawarma together. So we're going to recreate an easier shawarma that you can make at home with only a blender, some chicken, and your Ziploc bag.
So to make the marinade, it's super delicious and easy. We're gonna start with some apple cider vinegar,
which is very good if you have a stomach ache.
Next we're going to add
olive oil.
Look at that technique.
We have a variety of traditional Middle Eastern spices that we're going to add.
This smells so good.
This is what makes your shawarma delicious. Also, the garlic and the ginger helps.
I read recently that the reason they added that cute shawarma scene at the end of the Avengers is because whenever all of the cast of the Avengers had to do a big scene together, afterwards they'd go get a meal out together. And it was
so
like that cute camaraderie that made Joss Whedon decide to add that shawarma scene at the end.
As you can see, I just added a lemon, followed by a quarter of an onion.
Okay.
Whoa, it's a lot of onion. We've got
the salt.
The salt. Will you pepper lady?
Heck yes.
And our final ingredient, one of my personal favorites, pomegranate molasses. And this is similar to honey, but it has a little bit of a more tart flavor. It's great in salad dressings. If you don't have it, you can actually just buy some pomegranate juice and simmer it on the cooktop for an hour and a half, and
that is such a great trick. Is it time?
It's time. Gonna blend it.
Ready for the reveal? It's gonna smell great.
Smell that.
Oh, whoa! That's intense.
It's really awesome.
What do we do next?
We have our handy dandy Ziploc bag. We're going to add our chicken tenders.
Just plop them in.
Ooh, this is gonna be nice. There we go. To that we add our shawarma mixture. If you would like to make this vegetarian, you can also, instead of the chicken, put your eggplant in there. We're gonna fry some eggplant at the same time, and we're gonna let that sit in the fridge for about half an hour before we cook them both.
Yum.
And then we're ready to shawarma.
I don't know if you're supposed to do that. The chicken just marinated in the fridge for 30 minutes.
And now we're gonna cook it on a medium-high heat for 5 minutes and then flip it over and give it 5 minutes on the other side. In the meantime, we're also going to fry some of our eggplant. We put a little bit of salt on the eggplant to sweat out some of the water, which helps it fry better. We put it in about ½ an inch of canola oil, and we're gonna fry it on a medium-high heat for about 1.5 minutes per side till it's golden brown. We cooked our chicken and our eggplant, which is ready for our tasting later when we make the whole shawarma with
Agent Coulson himself, Clark Gregg.
We're going to assemble the shawarma.
So check out that video. In the meantime, want a snack?
Oh, thank you!
You're welcome.